Here we are, YouTube. We are in Viridian City. This guy is going to show us. This guy shown us how to catch Mesigno and Weedle, and now we're about to go to the Viridian Forest. There are a lot of bug type trainers here. They all have bug type Pokemon: Caterpie, Weedle, Kakuna, and Metabot. Nothing else, nothing less, nothing more. At least they could have a Beedrill that would give us more experience points. Anyway, we need to train to fight Brock. Another tackle will finish this Weedle off. The bad news are that we have to stick with tackle because those bug type Pokemons resist Vine Whip. The good news are that Bulbasaur cannot be poisoned, so you don't even need any antidotes. Let's see, Weedle versus Bulbasaur. We're gonna need to attack more. Now I'm slower. No, I'm not yet. This Weedle is faster than the other. And another tackle. Let's go for the lead seed. To heal back our life, as I said, I don't speak very good English, my accent is strange, but I hope that at least 10 or 20 people are about to watch my videos. Then that's fine with me. I don't plan to become famous like Purple Rodri, like Maryland, like Super Skarmory and other YouTubers, but I just want to get some more views than I had. I have made a lot of videos in the past. Now this is my final try, this is my final effort anyway to get some views. Now, somebody may ask, why should he watch my videos? What do I have to offer that other YouTubers don't? Well, I think the interesting with my videos are that I don't have the battle mode switch. I have the battle mode set, and when I want to switch out, I switch straight to the attack. I don't have this, I switch straight to the attack. I'm not, anyway, I'm very nervous, I'm sorry. The computer doesn't ask me, the game doesn't ask me, doesn't tell me that, you know, Brock is about to send out Onix. Do you want to switch? I have the battle mode set, so when I switch straight to the attack. It makes the battle more difficult. Also, I don't use items during the battle. I don't use full restores. I don't use potions and other items, and last but not least, my Pokemon don't faint during the battle. I don't like losing any Pokemon. Of course, some of my Pokemon may faint in a battle, but this is rare. This is what my difference is between other YouTubers. Now we're going to face Brock. Let's see, let's go, let's do this. I don't think that Brock will be a problem. We have Vine Whip, which is super effective, double super effective versus Brock's Pokemon. I guess also that my Bulbasaur will be an Ivysaur soon. As I said, I hope that I am not the worst narrator ever. Let's see. Vine Whip versus Geodude. The other Pokemon is Sansryu, that won't be a problem. And now we're about to face and beat Brock. Let's see, he has Geodude and Onix. I don't think that this will be a problem. Let's go for the Vine Whip. Geodude is down, and the next one is Onix. Poison Powder, no. Sleep Powder, yes. Let's forget Growl. Now we have Sleep Powder. Let's go for another Vine Whip. Onix is down. Bulbasaur is level 16, and now we're about to have an Ivysaur, which is great. Our Bulbasaur is about to evolve. Yes, now we have an Ivysaur. and we're about to go to Route 3 and face some trainers before we enter to the Mountain Moon. Here we are. This guy will give us the running shoes which can make us run faster. In this video we are going to have a new team member. This team member will be the super duper Magikarp, which is about to join our team. I missed Sleep Powder twice. Let's go for the tackle. I wasted my time. If Sleep Powder misses twice, then I don't want to think about other moves like Blizzard or Thunder. Let's see. Magikarp is about to join our team. Of course, I'm not going to train Magikarp. This will be the most boring thing ever. I'm going to give Magikarp to the lady that raises Pokemon, which is south to the Cerulean City. We are about to get to the Cerulean City in the next video and fight Misty. I have to learn Razor Leaf first to make this game more easy. I think Ivysaur learns Razor Leaf at 21, I think, I'm not sure. Let's see. Level 17 now, and Ekans. Let's put Ekans to sleep. I miss again. Sleep Powder doesn't have that bad accuracy. It have 75. I don't know why it misses all the time. I missed even tackle. Bye bye Ekans. Next please. Next is this girl. She has two Rattata and Nidoran, or monkey, I guess. It's Nidoran, female Nidoran. Sleep Powder misses again and again. I hope that Sleep Powder will be more, will hit more in the important battles. These battles are easy. Let's fight this bug catcher. He has 4. Weedle is the first one. Like I said, I will also do Heart Gold, Diamond and White too. Fire Red videos won't take me long, about 5 hours I think. I know this game with my eyes closed. Heart Gold also, I know this game very well. Again, for those who have subbed me before I made the narrations, you know that I have uploaded tons of videos in the past, but some of my videos had 0 views, and I want to change that. My accent won't help me to get a lot of views, I guess. I also want you to know that I am 17, I'm not 40 or something. I just have a very deep voice. This is why I sound like that. Next one is Metabot. Let's go for another tackle and Vine Whip to finish it off. For those who don't know, Vine Whip and all grass moves are special on Generation 3. And here is the last trainer. He has a Clefairy, I think, or a Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff it is. Let's go for the Vine Whip. Bleh. Another Vine Whip that hits and Jigglypuff is down. And now we're about to progress to the Mountain Moon. This is going to happen in the next episode. Now we will get Magikarp. Let's heal Ivysaur. Let's save because I want Magikarp to have a good nature. Let's save, and Magikarp is about to join our team. This guy is going to show Magikarp to us. In the next video we're about to go to the Mountain Moon and beat Misty.